Welcome to Crypto Corner, and today we're talking about the kind of numbers that cryptos really seem to be stacking up, all on the very, very positive side. I'll start with what we've done in sense of the market cap, which is gained up by 13% for the month of August. And with that, we are up by nearly 13% there at $4 trillion therein. So very strong numbers coming in there. And it's not just about Bitcoin, because we've seen very strong numbers coming in for altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Aave. And then you have stablecoins as well surging quite higher when it comes to prices there. Take a look at the kind of companies which seem to be buying all of these cryptocurrencies. Well, crypto corporate holdings for Ether have gained up by 126% in the month of July to nearly 2.7 million of Ethers there. The strength really comes in with the kind of adoption that we have seen from institutions, companies and funds, etc. The maximum buying really came in from BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Novus Sovereign Wealth Fund, and also some more companies like Tesla, Jane Street, Mubadala Investment from Abu Dhabi and Harvard University as well. So all of these have been major buyers for the month of July and continue to buy for the month of August as well. And then it also is about the kind of buying that we've seen across. The stablecoin legislation has fueled nearly $2.1 trillion in sense of monthly transfers there. So much so that it also has surpassed the Visa volumes on a month-on-month basis. Not just stablecoins, the real-world asset tokenization is a market which stands at $24 billion now. And then NFTs, which were doing quite flat in the last couple of years, also seem to be coming back in this year. We are looking at NFT sales up by 50% for the month of July there. The Bitcoin mining profitability also is surging because the Bitcoin prices are going higher. So we've seen that increase by 2% in July, and that has led to hash rate go up by 5% as well. Now, what is hash rate? Hash rate is a total combined computational power that is used to mine and process transactions on a proof of work blockchain. This also is used as a competition on how much hash rate is one using, and that also tells you on your profitability in that sense as well. So this is something that the markets take a look at on a very, very strong basis when you talk about cryptos and blockchain as well. So the numbers here also are quite strong. This is, of course, measured in X hashes per second, the time taken to mine one. And when you look at the revenues because of the X hash per second, that seems to be surging as well. Last year was $50,000 a day. This year in the month of June was $56,000, and in the month of July that has gained up to $57,000 per day as well. So very strong numbers coming in about mining, about hash rates, and of course profitability as well. Now these are the US listed companies which are mining Bitcoin. It is understood that of all the Bitcoin that has been mined in the last 1 year, 26 to 27% of that comes in from US, and that number seems to have grown on a month-on-month basis as well. So from 3,400 odd to 3,600 plus Bitcoins have been mined in the month of July. So very strong numbers across board at all parameters coming in for cryptos on that black chart.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18, and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.